Hey guys, how are you? So I was down in the shop. I've been becoming quite the seamstress, I think. I was on Tethrds site and they have their HYS, what is it? Their HYS, HYS strap. So I decided to sew my own because I think they are on back order right now. So I used some 3/4 inch webbing that I had and did just like Ernie told us to. He has a DIY video on their DIY site for Tethrds, so check that out if you want to make some stuff. I had my little tether hook. I kept it all the same color except for the green stitching, which is kind of cool, I think. But I'll show you how this works. So you will throw it around the tree. I put a little elastic also on the end. I am having a blast with elastic on all of my stuff to tie up the loose ends. So you will basically throw this around. You've got a loop at the top and you will throw it around the tree. This is your accessory strap. And that loop that you had on the front, you're just gonna send the end through that. So here it goes through there. And you're gonna pull it as tight as you can. Then what you do is you take this hook right here and you find a loop over here, because this is a little bit long. You find a loop to hook it in right there. And what I did different than his is I put a finger loop in this end here so that you can grab this with your fingers if you have big gloves on, and you can pull this tight. And you can see that is on the tree. And then what we'll do, I'll step around the tree real quick. Or no, she'll just back up for you. So I've got my hook. And any other hooks you've got, you can put them on these. But this will be my bow hook. It's one of the hero hooks. So turn it around. And I will stick it through there. And that's what I will have my bow hanging on in the tree. And then you can put any other hooks on that you want to. I'll have my bag hanging down lower right here. So I've got another hero hook that I will hook here and have my bag hanging lower. But this is a really nice setup that they designed. And I want to thank Ernie for doing the how-to and letting us make them ourselves too. I've been having a lot of fun with the sewing machine. So this is a nice little accessory to have out there, a lot lighter than the hook that I had before with the cam over buckle. As the season progresses, as you continue to set up your stuff, you say, hey, can I improve this? Hey, can I improve that? And this to me is one of the improvements, getting away from the hook with the other two little hooks. The issue with those was trying to get it around the tree and adjust those hooks to right where I wanted them. And then the bag was sitting up in this area. Now the bag can sit much lower. All right, guys, so see you later. If you want to make one of these, check out Tethrds site. And Ernie has a how-to on their YouTube channel. See you guys later. Bye-bye. I'm going to be getting ready to go out into the woods today. So I'll see you later. 4 more days of work, and then I have 8 days off. And we will see what we're going to take. Bye-bye, guys.